This one isn't mad.
Not mad?
Nope.
Didn't mind having a bath, I don't guess. That's awesome. Some kids like to take a bath, some kids don't.
These babies like to take a bath.
Awesome. Oh, that one got a lot of soap on it.
See?
Alrighty then.
They both have the magnet.
Good job. Dry them off.
And then I have to dry this bitch off and then put soap on it.
Okay. Oh, you have to dry what off?
This.
Okay.
And put soap on it.
That's probably a lot.
Yes.
Yeah. Now there's something else got to be dried off.
What?
Oh,
Yeah.
something you said a while ago.
The bitch.
Oh, yeah, that's right.